The question says the diagram shows a straight line crossing two parallel lines. Work out the value of x and the value of y. So here we can say these two lines are parallel. Okay, this is already given. So if this one is 110, then y must be 110 degree. Why? Because of corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So this is the first idea. Or how can you find out x? X plus y is 180. X degree plus y degree equal to 180. So just solve it. We will get your answer. X degree will be 180 degree minus 110. That will be 70. But here, if you look at the question number 8, the question says work out the value of x. That means it is better if we find out the value of x at first. So how can you solve? Look, 110 plus x. These two angles will make 180 degree. Why? Because of interior angles. We know that sum of two interior angles is 180. So we can say x degree plus 110 degree equal to 180 degree. Why? We can say interior angles. Interior angles. So what will be the value of x? X degree will be 180 degree minus 110 degree. That will be 70. This is the better answer. And now the question says to find out y. So we can write y plus x. So here we can say y plus x equal to 180 degree because adjacent angles on a straight line. Then y degree will be 180 degree minus x or 180 degree minus 70 degree. Then your final answer will be 112 degree. So this is the best way to solve this problem.